Right, I'm going to put that down. No, don't do that. If you do that, then it wants to go up, and if it goes up, it will it'll hit a tree. Oh, it's doing something strange. Yep, they're all pretty much damaged. Right, okay, I think I'm kind of making progress. These are pretty vital to my whole operation, if you like. I kind of need these. Ouch, that was a bit warm. Haha. Alright, just put some glue on them. And hopefully that will do the trick. Okay, right, so nasty stuff. This, you've got to be so careful with this damn stuff, I tell you. Right, okay, so that one's hopefully going to be done. That one there still needs a repair on it, but I'll do that another day. So we've got protection to that one there, that one there, and that one there. We'll go on that one there, so we're all good with the prop guards. Just need to change the props over. Yeah, I'll do that now. So I replaced all corners of the props, and I'm going to just give it a bit of a go.
Take off. Attitude mode. Fly with caution. Landing.
Okay, right, so that seemed to work fairly well. I thought I'd try it because these props here, they're not from DJI. These are from Hubsan, and the only problem is they're just slightly not the right kind of fit. But I'm going to take it out for another test fly, see how we get on with it. Right, release the mad dogs. There we go. The mad dogs have been released. Right, okay. Right. So today we are over at Stanton Park, my local park. We're going to go to the Great Woods. Now, slight problem I think. I don't think it's going to be a problem, to be honest. I haven't got any DJI props, but I have got lots of Hubsan Xeno props, and they seem to fit kind of okay on the DJI. I have given it a bit of a test flight in my man cave, and everything seemed to be fine. It's very stable, and you know, it's acting the way a drone ought to act. But I haven't taken it outside yet. Now, the object of today's video is to fly my drone in and around this little wood, and I think it's going to be okay, but this is going to be a bit of a test. Anyway, I'll talk more about it later. Interesting. Who's driving it? That's interesting, isn't it? Yeah, nice little bit of fun. Yeah. What sort of what do you do with that then? It looks like it's been in the walls by the look of it.
It's literally first time out, so it's just
right.
going around the really muddy bit.
Oh right, yeah, that's interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's taking that when going around for a walk, to be honest.
Yeah, it's good fun.
Walk a bit more interesting.
Nice sort of interest. Yeah, little
Take
hobby.
your RC for a walk.
Wow.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. So I guess it needs to be pretty tough and rough to do what you want it to do. It looks like it goes in puddles and over hills and does back flips and everything, I guess. I don't know.
Not quite that, it's a crawler, so it's kind of...
Yeah.
It's not particularly high top speed.
What is it, something like a 4S or 6S in it?
It's actually only 3S.
It's only 3S, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Okay, right, so we'll give it a go round here then, shall we? A bit windy, a bit of wind around. Okay, right, first real flight around Stanton Great Wood. I'm not sure this one's going to go, but I'll give it a go and see how we get on. Looks to be pretty tough out there, to be honest. This is like about an 8 or a 9, so I've got to be really careful with this one. So I'll take off in that direction, I think over there. We'll just see how we get on with it. I'm expecting 1 or 2 little issues, I think, regarding contact with... Yep, just have one then. Contact with trees and branches or whatever else. So we're just gonna give it a go and just see how we get on with it. This is kind of a test flight, really. Now this place is kind of not managed, really. Place I was at yesterday, Ashdown, kind of is. They've got their own ranger team there. They kind of got some sort of a ranger team here, but it's not kind of managed in the way perhaps other kind of woodlands are managed. This one is just kind of very much left to get on with its own devices, as it were. So I'm basically going to bring this little video to the close now. Just the wind's sort of kind of really kind of ramped up quite a bit, and it's even quite windy in the woods. It's a bit too windy to fly with my drone. I don't really know how it's going to react, you know, to the wind when you're flying so close to trees and other stuff. You know, it could impact quite heavily and sustain quite a lot of damage. So I think I'm gonna side on the side of caution for this one, so that it lives to fly another day. But this place is really very dense. It really is. Yeah, to try and fly a drone in here is interesting, because normally you wouldn't come out here. People kind of walk around the edges of this particular wood. I've never seen anyone really in this part of the wood before walking around, but it's just nice to go to places where you wouldn't normally go, because there's like little hidden secrets, kind of, you know, in these woods. And each wood's a bit different. It just gives me a sense of kind of freedom and release. Completely takes my mind off of other stuff going on. I think that's one of the big appeals to it, to take my mind off of things, and also just to see kind of some natural beauty and the wildness that these places have to offer. Right, so I had this old DJI Mini 2 which I destroyed a couple of years ago, and what I've done is I've taken the props from this. As you can see, it's propless, and I've now stuck them on that one there. So this one is the one which actually works okay, so I can carry on flying with it. I have got some more on order. This one here has got no gimbal. I don't even know if it will work, to be honest. Let's just see if I put a new battery in it. We try turning it on. It does work. Alright, so yeah, something is definitely working with that. So yeah, there we go. It actually works. That's amazing. It really is. Anyway, so yeah, what I've done is taken the props from that one there, and I've stuck them on that one there, so we can most definitely fly again.